Hello and a warm welcome back to the channel. In this video we're just going to have a walk around a small village called Ampus. We found this parking place on Camp 4 Night. Got 5 places marked on the floor, but you can easily park 8 camping cars in here. You can see there we've got a couple of yearly residents which take up 2 of the spaces. Never mind. It's so quiet here. If we just look around us, surrounded by oak trees, green oaks. It's got all the amenities. Here we've got the electricity. Along here is the grey water and the toilet waste. And there is fresh water, drinking water here. Got some fresh water there. Do your toilet waste there. So we're up here for a wedding. We're about 5 minutes walk from the church, which is ideal. And then we head off to Tortor. We'll have a little walk around this village to see how pretty it is, and I'll show you guys. So let's go for a walk. We're walking up the path of the cross, where there are many mosaics depicting the last walk of Jesus, where he was hung on the cross. And it's beautiful up here in the shade. So let's continue this walk. Depends where you stand in your belief, but he did that for us so we could go to paradise, get out of this world we're living in one day, and if we love him, we go with him. As simple as that. So, little cross to remind us who died and how he died. This walk was very moving, seeing the tiles painted, carrelage, whatever we want to call it. Anyway, guys and girls, thanks for watching this far. Time to have a sit down and the rest, and a long think. Let's go. line. Our new stores that Catherine made. You can see the new stores that Catherine's made. They're in place. We're up near the Lac de Verdon, in the high Var, and it's 41.2 degrees, so they have really been a godsend, keeping us cooler inside. So guys, if you haven't got them, make them. Go for a walk now down to the Lac de Sainte-Croix. It's Sainte-Marie de... no, the Sainte-Croix-du-Verdon. Well, we're going to go for a walk. Well, we found a little mountain trail of 1 kilometre going down to the village. It saves us walking on the national road, which is like a racetrack. So we've come down this way, safer, quieter.
Très joli là-bas.
Doucement. Fastoche.
Fastoche.
We've parked in the camping called the Truffiers. We tried to get a place down here on the municipal camping site, which was full on the side of the lake. It's normal. But if we'd parked down there, we wouldn't have done this walk. We've seen this village and we've just stumbled upon a couple of little old caves in the rock side. Look at this. So whoever lived in here or hid in here, or I don't know. Sometimes the unfortunate happens and you can't park where you want to, but we parked 2 kilometres away, walked through this charming little village, and we just stumbled upon these two grottes in French, 2 caves. So let's go down towards the lake. Anyway, we're in, the village is called Sainte-Croix-du-Verdon. Sainte-Croix-du-Verdon. It's absolutely charming. It's very steep. It's on the side of the mountain that goes down to the lake, so it's very steep everywhere. Easy going down, it's going to be a slog going up. Anyway, catch you guys later. I've just seen this car behind me. I thought, how the hell did he get up here? Look at the state of this road. I want to show some of you guys a French game called pétanque. I play at home. This is called long pétanque. I've never seen it live, so we're going to show you how this works. Typically French, we're over 1 hour late starting. There's quite a few people there, but a bit slow getting it started, this game. And the ground they play on is hard packed sand, small stone, and they're much longer than what we play on. Here's a look. I kid you not, we're in the south of France. Now French are always on time, or half an hour late. Now we're in the south of France, particularly the Provence. We're 1 hour late starting. They've actually decided who's playing where, and they're starting to do their warm-up. Well, Catherine's inside getting us a baguette for tonight. We've just spent the afternoon watching that French pétanque, jus provençal, and now we're going to walk back up to the camper. It's about a 2-kilometre walk uphill, and it's 37 degrees at 5 o'clock in the evening. So we've loaded up with fresh water, so we've got enough to get us up there. Catherine doing her botanist bit. She is picking wild thyme. Put on our dinner tonight. Catherine again being a botanist, and now we're collecting lavender to make the camping car smell nice. In my day as youngsters, we used to go into the old farmer's apple orchard and go scrumping. This is what the French do, and they go lavender picking. Now I think she's going to be making some beer for me tonight, picking up the old hops that have been left by the farmer. Hey, lavender flavoured beer.